Are you looking to upgrade into a brand new single-family home in Bucks County, Pennsylvania? Most builders are building attached homes and squeezing in as many as possible, but not at Steeple Run by Toll Brothers in Quakertown. These gorgeous 4-bedroom, 2-story homes on spacious lots feature open concept floor plans, modern architecture, and personalization options to suit every taste. All of this starting at only $620,000. Imagine preparing meals in your stylish, new, well-equipped kitchen with a convenient center island, a primary bedroom oasis with private bathroom and amazing closet space. Finish off the basement for a media room, a home gym, whatever you can imagine. Quick move-in homes are available too, with easy access to major roadways like the PA Turnpike and 309, plenty of outdoor recreation and hiking, charming independent shops and restaurants, and so much more. But don't think about it too long. Toll Brothers is building less than 40 homes in Steeple Run. I do not represent the builder. They have wonderful agents on site who represent them and can help you. But if you want a licensed professional representing your best interests, let's discuss a plan to trade in your old home for a brand new home that you deserve. I'm Dawn D'Amico with EXP Realty. If you are searching for a partner and advocate to provide you with the best experience, just call, text, email, or DM me today.